Did I bully them into giving me PR? Told me to pick up a package that a brand I said was disgusting sent me. I actually have to check the PO box. You have mail reciprocal number 4. What is that? Whoa. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, I'm so excited. Can I carry this home? The specific soda that I tried from this brand was disgusting. The video wasn't sponsored or anything like that, hence why I was even able to say that it was disgusting. More on that later, I'll post a video about it. Is this low-key PR? Did I bully them into giving me PR? I don't have my glasses on, but I promise you it's a really cool and safe. Wow. Oh, what's going on? Untamed variety pack? Did Wild Bill send me the drink catalog because I said they were disgusting? 4, 8, 12. You're like kidding. So you know what it's time for then, right?